Very good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to see Unit 4 Supplementary, The Cat and the Painkiller. It was written by Mark Twain. It has been extracted from The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Okay, so the author's name is Mark Twain. First we'll look about the author, Samuel Langhorne Clemens. His lifespan is between 1835 to 1910. He is better known by his pen name Mark Twain. So the author's original name is Samuel, but his pen name he used to write in the name of Mark Twain. He was a great American writer, humorist, publisher and lecturer. Most of his works were very famous. Few among them were The Adventures of Tom Sawyer and The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. So first we'll see about the novel. The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. It is a novel about a young boy called Tom. Okay, he is growing up along the Mississippi River at River Petersburg. So he lives with his aunt Polly and his brother Sid. He is up to all sorts of mischief, but he will cleverly escape from all the punishments, and he finds school life very miserable. But after Becky arrival in town, he finds little bit happy to go school, but even that happiness doesn't long last because Becky falls ill and doesn't come to school for very long time. So bored of school, Tom with his best friend Joe Harper and Huck runs away to an island called Mississippi, called Jackson Island. So this is about the boy Tom. Okay, so this Cat and the Painkiller, it is one of the episode of Tom Sawyer where we find him playing pranks on Aunt Polly. This aunt, she loves him very much, but she never shows that outwardly to make Tom a good boy. So this Cat and the Painkiller, the main the main characters are the cat. The name of the cat is Peter. The aunt's cat, and next is Tom. He is the main character, the very mischievous and naughty boy, and the aunt name is Polly. Okay, so we'll get into the story, children. Tom is temporarily distracted from his works because Becky stops coming to school. He tries to find out the reason for her absence, and finally he comes to know that Becky is ill and he is worried very much about her. Okay, he always used to think about Becky and stopped playing and lost all his happiness, interest in everything. His quiet behavior causes Aunt Polly to be concerned about him, so Aunt feels very much sad for him, and she tries all types of remedies to cure him, but nothing worked, and finally she discovered a water treatment, but when she give this to Tom, it also doesn't work. It became more sad. Okay, Tom became more sad, so his silence made Aunt very sad, so he orders for a new painkiller. Now he tries it. When Tom get the medicine from Aunt, he pretend as if he is eating it, but when Aunt is not looking at him, he just poured it in the sitting room floor. Okay, he used to do this often. So one day his aunt cat, that is Peter, came to the room, and this funny boy, Tom, he gave a spoonful of a painkiller to the cat. So the cat, as soon as the cat swallows the medicine, it jumped in air and bangs itself against the furniture. So the cat dashed the flower pot and jumped out of the window. So you can see that in the picture also, children. So and it made the place very ugly, and finally Aunt comes there to know what has happened, and she finds that Tom is the reason for all sorts of these things. So Tom said that he gave the painkiller to the cat because Aunt is paying much attention to Tom alone, and she doesn't care about this poor cat. Okay, so for Tom, Aunt is taking care, but for the cat, no one is there to take care. So that is why I given this medicine to the cat. So Aunt pats Tom on his head and tells him that whatever she do for Tom will be for the best, for the welfare, for the good of this Tom only. So even our elders also, no, they try to reprimand us, they try to correct us, but whatever they do for our wellness only, for our health or for our goodness only. They correct us, they will, but sometimes they will not show their love towards us, but to make us very good only, they do all sort of things. So this is what aunt is also doing here. So very short story, children. I hope you would have understand this. Thank you.